Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to use Dining Advantage credit in 2025. If you're part of a rewards program like this, you know how exciting it can be to turn your dining dollars into extra perks. Whether you're a foodie looking to save on meals or just want to maximize your credit card benefits, this guide will get you up to speed quickly. Let's jump right in. First off, what exactly is Dining Advantage credit? It's a rewards feature offered by many credit card companies, allowing you to earn and redeem credits for dining experiences. In 2025, there are some cool updates, like easier integration with mobile apps and more participating restaurants worldwide. To start, make sure you're enrolled. Head to your credit card provider's website or app. Look for the Dining Advantage section. If you're not signed up, it only takes a minute. Once enrolled, check your credit balance. This is crucial because 2025 brings enhanced tracking features, so you can see exactly how much you've got to spend. Next, find participating venues. Use the updated 2025 search tool in the app. It now includes filters for cuisine types and locations. For example, if you're craving Italian, it'll show you nearby spots. When you're ready to dine, simply link your card or use the app to apply your credits at checkout. Here's a pro tip. Always confirm with the restaurant first, as some might have new policies for 2025 redemptions. After your meal, track your redemption in the app. 2025 versions include real-time updates and bonus points for frequent use. If you run into issues, like credits not applying, contact customer support through the chat feature. That's been streamlined this year for faster responses. Using Dining Advantage credit can save you a ton on your favorite eats, so give it a try and watch your savings add up. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.